Hello friends, today's detail is a 2003 Chevy Silverado. It's a familiar face to me because I drive a Chevy Silverado. This is actually not too awful bad, but it is pretty dirty and there's a little bit of trash in it. But the biggest problem that we had, I got the call to come do the detail and I was told it stinks. When I spoke to the seller, it was cat pee smell. And it did smell like cat pee in this pickup. Oh my goodness. So this detail is actually a full detail. However, one thing I didn't do is get the steamer out today. I thought maybe I could get away with not doing that with a little bit of elbow grease, and I actually did pretty well with it. The steamer I would have pulled out had I found some stains that just were not budging. I was never able to exactly ascertain where this cat pee smell was coming from. So I used my nose the best that I could, and I figured it was coming from the air conditioning system or from the passenger seat. I originally thought maybe it was something from that damage behind the driver's seat in that carpet. It looks like battery acid damage, but I cannot figure it out. So what I did was I went back to my old cat lady days, and I used apple cider vinegar. So today when I went back, I started spraying the apple cider vinegar where I thought the problem might be. So as I get into the interior and I find that everything is coming clean with some APC, I decided that that was a good thing for me. The steamer on a hot day can be pretty miserable. So I was very thrilled about that. Now back to the cat pee smell. When I came in today with the vinegar, what I did was I sprayed some in the vents, and I also sprayed the spots that I thought were the problem or could be the problem. Now the seller is going to look at some other options to maybe find it, but I actually think the vinegar worked, because by the end of the day, after it had sat for a little bit, we didn't have too much of a smell problem. So today, when I started my second day of this pickup to finish it up, what I did was, because I don't have resources available to me to do this on site, I just went ahead and took the pickup over to the car wash, which I forgot the camera, and I was able to use the brush to get things clean in certain spots, and I was able to shine up the chrome a little bit on the bumpers, and it turned out really well. I think I'm pretty pleased with it. I hope everybody else is too, especially the new owner.